Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting them on your story. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Instagram application first and go to your profile button at the bottom right corner. From your story highlights, tap on the new button and add your highlights and select one of the highlights. Once you do that, tap on the next button at the upper right corner and you can give a name to your highlights if you want to. After you're done, tap on the done button at the upper right and there you go, you've added a highlight on Instagram without posting it on your story. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.